If you're a cooking enthusiast, then you need to know the truth about seed oils. Are they friend or foe? Seed oils like canola, sunflower and soybean oil are everywhere. But are they good for us? Let's break it down. First up, the pros. Seed oils are loaded with polyunsaturated fats which can help lower bad cholesterol. They're also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Now, the cons. Some seed oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids which can mess with the omega-3s we need for brain health. Plus, many are heavily processed, stripping away natural nutrients. So what's the verdict? Moderation is key. Use seed oils, but mix in some olive oil or avocado oil for balance. And remember, no oil can make up for an unhealthy diet. So keep it balanced and enjoy your meals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty tips.